Hello guys, today we are at Khola bridge. Here's a signboard that says big bridge over one vehicle at a time. Only light vehicles by order of Road and Bridges Department, because this bridge is quite old. It's been like 20 to 30 years old, so it's still standing, but it's damaged, so damn damaged. It can't be trusted. It can collapse at any time. You know, any day it will collapse. So instead of this, they are constructing a new bridge, a two-lane bridge, where two vehicles will pass. Just beside this lake, there's a small bridge, old and small bridge. Only one vehicle will pass over here, but right now this new bridge is being constructed, and I think it's made for two vehicles because of lots of traffic jam is occurring in Gangtok, all over Gangtok. So they are building a bridge where two cars will fit perfectly, and even the pedestrian will get to walk on the side of the bridge. So this bridge is old and gone, and here's the new one being constructed. I don't know how long it will take to construct this bridge, but I hope it will be finished soon. This bridge may cause a problem in the future, because as you know, Sikkim, it's an earthquake prone zone. So if anything happens, earthquake or dam, heavy rain fall, this bridge is gonna collapse. And here right now, circuit just soared away. So how do you like the development of Ranka?